Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check and update software on the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro. So if you want to check the software update and then update it, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings and then scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Software Update. And here it's going to check for updates, and if your version is up to date, you don't need to update anything. But if it says that there is an update available, it's going to give you a button to update, and once the update is installed, it's going to guide you through the process of how to update the phone to the newest version. And once it's done, you're going to be up to date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.